Guys, this is the dust from the campuses again. Now we are going to make this sketch in Solidworks. It looks like Locket launcher. It is a simple sketch in Solidworks. I hope you like it. Let me start to enjoy this Solidworks sketch. Okay, first here we have this body, and then there is these outer sketches. Um, it is 120-degree circular pattern part, and we are going to make this sketch in the SolidWorks. Let me start from here. Draw 40-degree 40 diameter, and then extrude up to 2000. Okay, plain white. Top plane sketch. May select circle here, draw from the original point, and then assign dimension 40 mm. Okay, and extrude up to 200, sorry. Look. Okay, look. And then here at the top, there is here at the top radius 10 fillet. Okay, look. I'm going to make the fillet of radius 10. Select this fillet. Then here there is radius. Select this face. Okay, look the preview, and then select OK. Look, it is created, and then we are going to make these three faces, and then select front plane sketch. Okay, then select the line, draw from here to here, and then back to the origin, and then may draw like this face, and then okay, draw line from here, and then select up to here, and then make this base and this face coincident. Okay, we're going to assign dimension, and then may cross your sketch. Select here, and then cross up to here. Our sketch is automatically created and extruded, and then select Ctrl 8. Then we may select circle here inside. Okay, this select this line and this point, make it tangent here. Okay, it is very helpful sketch. And then we're going to assign dimension here, from here up to here 79.6 mm, 79.6 mm. Okay, and then from this center up to here there is 60 mm. From here up to this center there is 60 mm. Okay, and then this radius is 15, and then it is hole inside 20. 15 radius, and then this hole is diameter here 20. Okay, our sketch automatically is fully defined sketch, and then we are going to extrude. Okay, look, then extrude up to midi plane. Okay, and then we will extrude 10 mm only. Okay, select the OK. Look, we are going to pattern to use the linear pattern to pattern this angles with angle of 120. Select circular pattern, then select feature. It is not feature, it is the body, and then select this body. Okay, and then direction, select this side, and then after selecting this side we may select OK. Look, our preview was automatically created, and then assign some color. May select this face and then color. May select this orange here and then OK. May select this face, no, plain white. Select this face, go to the color and then assign like blue one. May select the blue, and then may select this face. Okay, color. May select this face, this face, this face, this face, this face, this face. Okay, and automatically select this. It is helpful. Look, okay, and then may select inside here. Select the face. May select the green here, and then green here. Okay, look, our body is automatically created. I hope you like this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel of the campuses, and then remember to share this video to your colleagues. Thank you for watching.